tension force Ft causing a particle IM to move with a constant angular velocity omega in a horizontal circular path of radius capital R, which of the following gives the expression for the magnitude of Ft? So in this we have to find the tension force, right? So this tension force, if you see, it is horizontal circle, so mg is acting downward, and if I make components of this, so this is theta angle, so it is Ft cos theta, and this is Ft sin theta. So I can write that Ft sin theta would be equal to mg, and Ft cos theta, since this force is acting towards center, so this is centripetal force, is equal to centripetal force, or I can write mv square upon capital R, because the radius is capital R. So from the first equation I can find theta and substitute in the second one. So it would be sin theta would be equal to mg upon Ft. And what is cos theta? So if I make a triangle with this theta, so sine is basically perpendicular, so this is mg and this is Ft. So can you find this x? So it would be mg square plus x square is equal to Ft square. So x square would be equal to Ft square minus mg square root of it. This is the x distance. So cos theta in this case, cos theta would be equal to the base. Base is what? Ft square minus mg square divided by the hypotenuse, which is F. So just substitute cos theta in this equation. So if you put, it would be Ft into cos, instead of cos I can write Ft square minus mg square upon Ft. So Ft would get cancelled, is equal to mv square upon R, capital R. And this V, I can write V is equal to R omega. Just substitute it here, it would be equal to m R omega square. And squaring both sides, so it would be Ft square minus mg square, right? So this would be m square R square omega 4 plus m square g square. This is the Ft square. So when you solve it, so Ft square would be equal to m square into R square omega with power 4 into g square, and taking root both the sides. So we get Ft as m square. So just take common, m into R square omega 4, R square omega 4 plus g square, root of it. So this is your Ft. If you have any doubt regarding the video, or you want any mentoring or tutoring from me, you can email me on forcetra.physicss@gmail.com, or you can scan this to DM me directly.